Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is May 14th. The temperature here in Montreal is 25 degrees Celsius, and I've decided to clean up my flower box and transplant my passion flower vines that have been sitting in water all winter long. So the plan is to dig this up, maybe add a bit more soil, and then we'll transplant. So these things, just by if you're curious what they are, it's rubber hose, and they run down the edge, and they run at the bottom, and they come up the other end, and there's holes at the bottom of this tubing, and that allows oxygen or like air to get down to the bottom areas of the planting. And there's another set over here on the right hand side, and it seemed to do very well last year. So I have some very sad looking perennials that are trying to come up. I'm not sure if I'm going to be saving all of those. We'll have to wait and see. So let's start by me getting down. So for anyone that lives in an apartment building and they're doing gardening in a little flower box like this, these are the perfect tools for you. It's a little spade that I bought at Dollarama and a little raking device, and it is perfect for this little flower box. So I'm just going to get in here, and pretty easy operation. What I want to do is really dig up everything and aerate the soil as much as I can. And if I have to, I might have to add some more soil. That's fine. You got this stuff here, I don't know, it's like top dressing that I got from a plant last year. It hasn't fully rotted, and I'm not going to throw it out just yet. So just keep at it here, and it's that simple. I'm so glad it finally warmed up here. It was like mid-teens up until like the other day here in Montreal, and not very good for gardening. So let me just continue on here. I don't want to bore you people, and yeah, we'll be back in a minute. So here's one of my passion vine plants that has been growing, surviving all winter long just in water. Some of the leaves look a little yellow, but once it's out here for a week or two, it is really going to take over this flower box. And the other one is a bit more delicate, but again, once it starts, oh, I gotta be. Once it starts growing, it's going to be fine. Okay, I made a nice size hole for the roots to sit in, and we're just going to cover that up just to the top of the plant, not burying it. I'm going to make a second hole here. I'm going to put two smaller ones right beside it, and again, not to bury it too deep, just loosely in there. And then I have another mid-size one. And we'll put that over the edge to grab the trellis, bury the root, And then finally, the last hole will contain the bigger, this is a huge root ball. And if you could see that on the palm of my hand, it's quite large. And we'll make sure it's facing the trellis. And I guarantee within a week or two, it is really going to fill up and take up this whole trellis. So here's this one. Make sure it's grabbed it really well, and by the several weeks here, it's going to grow. This thing is around 5 feet long, this trellis, and yeah, I'm quite confident it's going to do well here. It gets morning sun only because it's southeast facing is that way, and this type of passion vine, it doesn't like direct sun. So leave it there. I'm going to give it a good watering, and let's see what happens. I'll give you progress reports over the next several weeks.